Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to this episode. Today, I'm going to uh, share the technical analysis of GBPUSD and the Aussie, that is gold and USD. Today is 23rd of March, year 2025. As we all know, in the evening, the market will open. All right. So, since on the 13th of January, we experienced this rejection here, and since then we've been we've been pushing up, as in bullish. All right, we were bearish when we got to this point. There was a rejection, a pin bar that triggers the run to the upside. So since then up until now, we've been bullish, and we are now in March. But on the 20th of March, we now discovered that price action has hitted this resistance level. Why is it a resistance level? It's a resistance level because when you look at your left, at the left side, price has tested and reversed at this level. All right, so it's a very strong and obvious resistance level. Having identified that is a strong and it's a resistant level, now price has gotten to this level, and what we are experiencing right now is what? Price rejecting from this level. All right, so when you scale down, you discover that price action has started making its way to the downside. All right, when you scale properly to your lower time frame, like me, I take my trade on the 1 hour. Okay, you discover that price has since changed character. All right, why do we say price has changed character? Price has changed character when the last break of structure has been violated. All right, the last break of structure has been violated. That means price has changed character. If you don't know what change character is all about, please do well to go and watch my video. Go to my YouTube or my website, againstfx.com. You'll see all the videos there free of charge. Now, what we need to observe right now is that when you look at the 4H, that is a 4 hour, you will discover that even right here, there's a rejection. All right, we are experiencing a pullback rather, or a rejection. But if you go to 1 hour time frame, you will discover that it's a pullback. All right, a little bullish run now is coming back to the downside. All right, that means we have resumed a bearish trend. So 4 hours, when you look at your 4 hours, you do discover that though there's a rejection here because of this level that is here, all right? So you have to be very mindful of this level because price can get here, all right? Price can literally get to this point, all right? Then come up a little down, then you resume bearish trend. So we need to be very mindful and watchful of this level. So now that we are seeing a push, a kind of a retracement, and what we need to do right now is that we need to wait. All right, we need to wait for this phase to be completed. What do I mean by that? The price is pushing backward. All right, this candle has closed. You see, another bearish candle has opened, meaning that we are still bearish. But I'm of opinion that you should allow price to get to this level. All right, let price get sweep this level. All right, pull back. All right, pull back, or let price sweep this level, pull back to this level as in to retest this level, then you can now join to push the price to the downside. Now, what you should understand is that price action moves in levels. It moves in levels. Now, your reference point should be this point here where we have another block. This is another block that caused this entire push to the to the upside. All right. This is where the magic started. This bullish order block, this bullish order block here is what triggers this push to the upside. And now, when this push to the upside happened, there was an imbalance. That is why, as an SMC trader, this point is what is a reference point in future. Price will definitely come back to tap into this origin that caused this entire push to the upside. Now, because of this imbalance, price will come back later to come and fill this gap. So it become an interest point in the market. All right. So as an SMC trader, we can simply place our buy limit order here. All right. Buy limit order here. Okay. And wait for price to get to this point, tap us in, then we'll push the market to we'll push the price to the upside. Though this price action is coming down to tap into this level, some people will say, why can't we join to push the market, to push the price down to this level before it triggers back? Yes, you can do that, but you should know that there is risk involved because we don't know when price will come and tap into this place. Because if you just go ahead and place a sell, if you place a sell here, price might get to any level here and turn. So to be on a safer side, all you need to do as an SMC trader, you have identified the other order block, the origin that caused this break of structure to the upside. All you need to do is we need to just place a buy stop order, a buy limit order here, a buy limit order here, then target this high. That's all. But if you want to join as the price action is going to the downside, all you need to do, because there is because here at this level, all right, the price is coming towards, All right, there is a support level here. You wait for price to break this barrier first. Let price pull back to retest this level. Then you will now see if it's coming down. You will see there will be a rejection here, a pin bar rejection that will trigger, okay, this pullback is finished. Now the bearish trend has come to resume. So you can now place a sell to push the market to the downside. So the overall, as far as GU is concerned, is that now we are at a resistant level that is very, very important in the market. So the price has gotten to this level and we are experiencing a pullback to the downside. So as far as I'm concerned, as market opens, we are going to be experiencing bearish move. All right. So that is the update for that is the analysis for GU. Then we move to uh, the Aussie, that is gold USD. All right, gold, on the other hand, has been bullish. We know that gold has been bullish all along, and the bullishness still continues. All right, at this level, now we now saw that there is a pullback. You see price breaking structure to the downside. All right. Now, this is just a market shift, and you now see that price action has started coming to the downside. Now, this is just a retracement. All right. Now, if you look by your left side, you discover that this place there is a strong there's a strong resistance here that later that will later turn to a support. All right. Now, to be on a safe side, instead of entering this trade to push this market to push this price to the upside, I will suggest that we exercise patience, wait for the price to pull back to this level. Even if you see a push to the upside like this from here, as it has given us a buy, but let's just wait and see price come back to retest this level. Once price retest this level, then we can now place a buy to push to the upside. So why is it that? It's because this level is a strong resistant level. So when price push to return to this level, it will serve as what? As a support. Then you now see it push to the upside. And why is it like that? To further buttress our analysis, if you open the DSY, you discover that the DSY has been bearish. The DSY has been bearish, all right? It has been bearish, all right? Because this is a very strong resistance for the DSY. It has been bearish. So now the DSY has gotten to this level and he has found a very strong support here. Because why? He tested it, he tested this point, tested again, and now you see is going to the upside. Because the DSY has resumed a bullish move now, because there's a change of character already and he has given us a W pattern. Now is going to be experiencing a bullish move. So for that we know when DSY is bullish, and every other peers that is, be it if any USD pairs is the base currency, that means the trend will be bullish. If the USD this is the quote currency, that means we'll be experiencing a bearish trend. Let me make it clear again. When DSY is bullish, any quote currency that you are trading, any pair that the quote currency is USD, it will be experiencing a bearish trend. For example, now that the DSY has resumed a bullish trend, GU will be experiencing bearish trend because the USD is the quote currency. All right. Now the gold USD will now be what? Be bullish. Do you know why it's like that? It's like that because when gold is appreciating, dollars will be depreciating. And when dollars is appreciating, gold will be depreciating. So it's like that. So when DSY is appreciating, meaning that the dollar is what? Is appreciating. So that means any quote that comprises of any pairs that comprise of USD will be experiencing a push to the downside, will be bearish. So at this point, the gold here now, we are having a kind of support here. We are having a support here, all right, that this point that is rejecting from. All right, let's take this one out. The gold there was a pullback to this level. All right, this is a resistance. Now it has now become a support. All right, now we now see that the bullish trend has resumed. All right, the bullish trend has resumed. All right, the bullish trend has resumed. So the gold USD is bullish, but mind you, this point is what? Is a resistant level. We are experiencing a pullback. Let's see what this pullback will do. Otherwise, the price will further, after this pullback, price will further come crashing up to this level before it resume the bullish trend. So let's keep an eye and watch what this guy is about to do right here. So on this note, I want us to watch out on these two levels. This level here and another level is this very point here. All right. Why? Because this point, if you look at your left, you discover that this is a resistant point. All right, it's a resistant point, and apart from that, here there is what we call imbalance. Imbalance is also here, so is an interest point where I feel that price action should pull back to before it finally, just to cover the gap before it finally resume the bullish trend. So guys, I thank you so very much, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And the videos, you can drop any comment. If you need anything that you want us to tackle together, please drop your comment, subscribe, and share my video. If you have not subscribed, please pause the video, subscribe to my channel. It does not cost you anything. So I thank you so much on this.